All right, guys, let's go into the second part of the bullet journal, which is the quarterlies. And this is probably one of my favorite parts of the bullet journal because it really gives you kind of a fine-tuned way to break down your year to actually meet goals. But at the same time, it is a long enough period that you can get something really big done if you have some type of project. So when you open up your quarterlies, you've got 3 months separated into like 5 lines, and you can decide how you want to do this. I've already seen you guys kind of getting really creative with how you're doing this, but if you want to break up something into steps, this is the best way to do it. And then the schedule on the right, I just kind of went crazy on this one. And after I did it, I'm glad I used erasable pen for this, but I can't wait to the next quarter because I already set up my schedule and it's the morning routine thing is not working out. So we'll see how the next quarter goes. Then my next page spread is going to be my master to-dos for the entire 3 months. And this is where I'm just going to get messy and log like everything that I need to do. And I touched on this in the goal planning live, but this is my prayer page, and this is where I'm going to open up to every single morning first. And it gives me a checklist of where I need to go in my bullet journal to kind of make sure that I'm covering everything for the day. I use this little card. But the way I'm going to pray is I set up these little sections to kind of put a little star when I'm done for the day praying through each thing. So I'm going to pray over my prayer requests, my friends and my family, my girls and Dustin. And then I'm going to take some time for some gratitude, just thanking God for all the things that I'm not in control of, that He has blessed me with. And then any needs, healing, or gifts, that says city, not gifts, or my city, just different things that we're in need of, whether it's like natural disasters or anything like that. And then I'm going to take some time to pray over my community, whether it's like our softball team, friends, family, all the things and all the struggles. And then it goes right into the next quarter, and we will tap into that January, February, March, April. See you guys in April for a quarterly update.